Go. There's Thea eating crayons at the restaurant. Ah, crayon monster. Ah, don't let her eat it. Delicious crayons. What is that one? Give her one. See what she does.
More.
You should try eating earwax. It tastes about the same. It's always available.
Let me have the blue one. She can put that
Yuck. One more? Gonna eat one more, Thea?
in there. Your butt, Lovey.
Gonna eat one more crayon?
Here, Thea, look, put it into here. Can you put the crayon in here? This is the crayon's bed.
Night-night crayon. Stop eating them.
Night-night crayon.